teach you how to make this effect in Jianying. Import the material in Jianying first. Picture-in-picture add animation footage. Pull it up with the linear mask. Pull some more and draw, in order to make the picture connection more natural. So we choose to adjust. Open the curve. Lift the blue ball up. The bottom one is pulled up a little bit. Pull up the white one. Increase the brightness and turn on the HSL blue part. Adjust the saturation to -26. Tone up to 16. Then something magical happened. Copy a moderation layer, so it fits together perfectly. Everything else looks the same.